G'day guys, welcome to When the Trowel's Down, Life After Work. One of the greatest gifts of life after work is that no two weekends have to look the same. One weekend might begin before sunrise, loading the kayak onto the roof racks and heading over to the river or for a surf. The next could be a family road trip along the coast. Perhaps it's a morning at the local markets, an afternoon restoring the hot rod or the bike in the shed, or an evening around the fire pit with family and friends. Some weekends are made for camping beneath the stars, others are for hiking a new trail, taking the motorcycle through the mountains, playing a round of golf, exploring a country town, or spending the day at the beach. Sometimes the greatest adventures much closer to home. Planting a new tree, cooking a meal you've never had before, flying a drone across open farmland, learning to play a favourite song on the guitar, building something with your hands, watching your children discover something for the very first time. Viewers, life becomes richer when we stop waiting for the extraordinary moments and start recognizing the opportunities already around us. Adventure doesn't always require a passport. It often begins with curiosity, with saying yeah to something different, with choosing experiences over routine. Hard work gives us the privilege of choice. The weekend gives us the freedom to use it. The memories you'll treasure are rarely measured by how much they cost. They're measured by who was there, what you discovered, and how alive you felt in the moment. When the working weekends, don't just look for something to do. Viewers, look for somewhere to go, someone to share it with, and another story worth telling. Every weekend is an invitation. Step outside, embrace the adventure, and fill your life with moments worth remembering. I'm Probrickie, that's my advice when the trowel is down.